What's up YouTubers, today in this video I just want to show you how I create these floating island inside Adobe After Effects with a little help from Adobe Photoshop. Yeah, in this tutorial there is two different parts. One part is for creating these floating island inside Adobe Photoshop, and then the second one is to animating and compositing with Adobe After Effects. So now let's get started. Yes, alright guys, so now let me jump on here on Google and let me find search floating island, a floating island. I just want to download image of floating island. So here you can download the best image you want. So now for me, let me choose this one. Okay, I have to download this one, and then after this, on this floating island I can put some things like, for example, so I have to add, like me, I have to add an house. So let me use the best house, guys. So just here you can use any house you want, guys, anything you want. Okay, for myself I have already downloaded the house, so now I'm going to jump on Adobe Photoshop to import my island and then this house, because I just want to combine together this one and this house. Now click here to open. So let me open up this island. Okay, here this is my house. So first I have to select this island. Okay, let me just select just like this. Okay, I have to change this island from GPG into PNG. Okay, so here for best way for selecting, so just click here to deselect and then click here on the select, go here on the color range and then select this background. I just want to select this island only. Okay, then press OK. Yeah, it's already selected, so now I can remove these details here. Okay, so after this, click here on select, click here on invert, then click here and then I have to remain this island only. So let's click here and then click here on apply layer mask, and I have to delete these words just like this. Let me smooth my brush. Yeah, this is better. So now guys, as you see here, you see I have a floating island only, but as you see here, I have to remove this detail. Okay, let me use again. Yeah, this is great. So now I have this island only. I have to put this house here on the top of this island. So let me select this house, and let me put it here on this island here on the top. Man, this is cool, just like this. Yeah, this is perfect. So now let me smooth like here by using this eraser brush, just like this. Okay, Well done. Okay, guys, after this I'm going to export my image in PNG file. Okay, so now go here on file, click here on save as copy, and then let me choose my type. So I have to choose PNG format. So let me call it here the floating island. Sorry, island. Okay, this is cool. And then click save. Press OK. So, and let's jump on Adobe After Effects to combine with my video clip. So now let me import my clip first. So let me import my clip first. Okay, let me drag it here on this timeline. Then this is how my clip is. Yes, this is how my clip is. It is a drone shot. Okay, so now we can use any drone shot you have because it is the same way. Okay, so now let me import my PNG image, and then let me put it here on the top of this video. Okay, so place on S to scale. You can increase or decrease your floating island. Guys, when I play, just like here, you see my island, my floating island is not going with my clip. So now the things I'm gonna do first, I'm going to track the camera. Click here on this footage, and then click here on tracker camera. If you don't see the track camera here, you can go here on window, and then you have to enable this track. So now click here on track camera, and then you have to wait a few little bit. Alright guys, after tracking your camera, you see I have been received some points. This is the point which I'm going to use to track my effect. So now here guys, as you see here, you can see the track point size. You can increase your track. If your track point size is too small, you can increase it. So now I'm going to find, I'm going to find one tracking point which I'm going to use. Okay, so now let me use, for example, like this one. So now right click on it, and then click here on create solid and camera. Okay, already guys, I have received some track solid layer here. Okay, so now I'm going to track these floating island. Okay, so and click here on this floating island. Okay, you have to enable these 3D dimension here. Okay, so let me scale, zoom out. Okay, and then after this, you see how it is. Okay, so now when I play my video, you see how this floating island is going on. Okay, so now I'm going to create the parent pick wipe, or I just want to link with this track solid one. So now I have to click here on this parent link, and then I have to link with this solid one. Okay, so when I try to play, you see how this tracking point is, guys. Okay, so let me reduce this. Let me reduce this floating island. Let me put it up just like this. Okay, when I pray, guys, you see how this stuff is going on. Oh my goodness, when I try to put the behind here, you see how, yeah, it is going with my camera, guys. Okay, so let me try to put here on the middle of this frame, so I can decrease to, let me put it up just like here. No man, Let me put it down. I can add another image. Okay, so for example, let me add again this. So let me try to add the second one here. Okay, and then click on scale. So let me try to put it here. So click here on this second floating island, then you have to enable this 3D dimension. Okay, let me bring it up here. So when I play, you see how it is, guys. You can add more floating island, whatever you want. Okay, so I can put it behind just like this. So when I'm done to track my point, I can export these videos here in Adobe After Effects, because I just want to import it into Adobe Premiere Pro for adding some other details on it. Okay, so let me jump on here on Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me import my video. So let me try to put it here on this timeline. So for this here on Adobe Premiere Pro, I can create an adjustment layer for adding some cinematic bars. Okay, let me go here on effect, click here on effect, search the effect called the crop. Yeah, okay, here I can, the bottom I can add 8, and then the top I can add 8 too. So when I try to play, you see how the stuff is going on. I can add to some color grading. Look how the stuff it is, man. So pretty nice. So then this is the final result, how you can create floating island on your drone shot. Guys, if this video is very helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comment down below. Let me know what you think, and see you in next video. Peace.